Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this HENMI bicycle saddle. It's a man, woman and so on, comfortable, soft, ergonomic, shock absorbing bicycle saddle for mountain bike, for trekking bikes, for exercise bikes, for e-bikes, for pedelecs, for road bikes, for nearly all kind of bicycles out there. It is a seat. It's comfortable, soft bicycle saddle. This bicycle saddle, filled with thick memory foam, soft and elastic, provides sufficient support and buffer. This reduces the pressure on the hips and does not hurt the hips even during prolonged use. This bicycle saddle surface is made of waterproof and wear-resistant leather, and on the surface are dense anti-slip points to increase the friction. We have a multi-directional breathability. The special hollow breathability and the front and rear diversion design of the bicycle saddle can be ensure good air circulation and sweat-wicking effect. Relieve pressure points in sensitive areas and avoid discomfort of sweating. We keep the buttocks breathable. We dry and comfortable and ensures a more comfortable riding experience. And we have an ergonomic design. This bicycle saddle here is ergonomical designed, and the bicycle saddle adapts completely to our hips. It supports our hips and improves our sitting posture. The narrow and the rounded arch at the front end can effectively prevent friction on the inner sides of the thing and reduce the pressure on the seat leg. And universal and easy peasy to attach, because you can see it's fast and reliable to assemble this saddle on the hub and of course later on the bicycle itself. You can adjust it forward, backward, and you can tilt it a little bit. The bicycle saddle comes with a universal removable seat clamp that is suitable for the most standard seat positions. The best bike accessory for mountain bikes, trekking, road bikes, e-bikes, exercise bikes, and more and more. This bicycle saddle included installation tools are for an easy installation process. We aligned the two pieces which have this round design of the saddle rails and slightly tilted it outward. Then we insert the big piece with the pointed end facing downwards onto the narrow end of the saddle and secure to fasten it in place using holes on the main parts of this installation. Then we insert one of the other side clamps to the bolt, and then we can insert this into the system. We directionally insert this bolt into the front part of the assembly, align it with the holes, and then we insert the other side like same style before, and then of course we insert the assembled saddle on the seat post onto the bicycle. We adjust the appropriate angle and height and secure it. Easy peasy, as you can see. You can perform this at home easily, of course, on your bike too. To get the right adjusting of the saddle angle, it's really easy. We'll look with, for example, a smartphone, how much degrees an horizontal line, and then we can tilt it, the saddle line, a little bit up to 6 degrees. That's the right thing. If it's uncomfortable, you can go a little bit in a tilt position to look how extended you have to seat on the saddle. You can make a heel to toe measurement method, for example, and then You sit on the bike saddle. We keep our feet horizontal and the pedal with the heels. When we foot reach the lowest point, our legs should be full extended without feeling overstretched or cause knee joint bend. The adjusted exact position should not create any body sway during the pedanding. To reach the lowest point, no cause any feeling that the legs cannot extend it fully. And then you can go and have fun with this saddle assembled on your bicycle. This is the HENMI bicycle saddle. It's the HMS S01. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon, soon.